This is my new bike. I have a Transition Spire. I'm going to build it up, and I never built a bike in my life. I did one when I was like 7 years old, and it ended up tearing my face apart. So hopefully this one will not do the same. Anyway, I have two experts, the one behind camera and another crazy Australian, to help me out. That feels weird. Now let's fill the pretty hole. And now this one. I think we're done. Let's go ride the bike. Some nice Chromag parts.
Yeah, you've done that right.
Now I just jam it in the hole.
No, get all your spacers and stuff prepped first.
Kruisje, tu prvo gorno bijam. Evo da se izlazno. Evo. Majstar. Okay.
Go and put it together, mate. You're building it.
Yeah, but tell me, like I've been on
Put the top cap on it.
4 fucking hours.
Put the top cap on it.
4 is not, this one go first, right?
No, the top cap goes on first. The bit that says FSA.
Ja, tu. Okay. I'll pull the fork out. Listen. Look at me. Look at your sons though. He's a schrijf je toch wel. Nee, tak ja. Eerst. Thank you, baby.
Oh look, you finally figured it out.
I'm so glad I need to go out and not watch all of this.
I'm not forbidden. Moves to the screw. My own business.
Magic!
Proud mama.
It's sorted.
How much? Like the...
How much lube do you need?
How deep?
Then put the bottom bracket in.
What's the bottom bracket?
Yes, he actually asked, yeah.
Please check the well lubed bottom bracket threads.
He definitely did something.
Does
Does it say right on the right side?
I don't know, but you read the letters like that usually, so if you read it right, then it's Arabian.
Why don't you just fucking read it?
Where? It's dop. Yeah,
Right.
I told you! We keep on doing the thing now.
What is the thing?
Two scores. Yes! Yes! Ja. Nej.
Did you put the spacer under it?
No.
No.
Spacer.
Put that on. Right, the male part. Then you put the female part.
Is it okay?
I don't fucking know. You're the...
I'm a high performance athlete, I'm not a mechanic.
We can fucking see that.
With the wheel or without? Okay.
What's the point in putting the axle in without the wheel?
Just to see if it's nice.
Well, then see if it's nice.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, baby!
Fixing Vid's mistakes. Look at the focus.
I think we're here.
Is it as quiet as the girl you're sleeping with?
Might be there.
You haven't done anything except turn the tire around, buddy.
Yeah, I know, but I'm sure. Oh, fuck. It's all over the... I did the same.
That's simple. Now I need to go probably take half the bike apart after you've built it.
Yeah, for sure, but better safe than sorry, right?
Yeah, I'm not riding it.
Some nice final touches. Okay.
Checking everything. Vid touched it. What's Vid got? Sexy fingers. Everything he touches, he fucks.
My first bike build ever is finalized with help of Kayla and Robbie. Thank you guys. Now hopefully it holds together Actually, Kel checked it, so we should be good. And let's take it for a ride as soon as possible.